Hello class, today we will learn about how plants reproduce. Just like animals and humans, plants have special ways to create new plants. This process includes several important steps such as flowers, pollination, fertilization, and seed dispersal. So what are the steps? First one, flowers. First, let's talk about flowers, which are reproductive parts of the most plants. Flowers have different parts. They are petals, sepals, stamens, pistils. Okay. Petals are brightly colored parts that attract insects. Sepals are green leaves that protect the flower bud. Stamens are the male part of the flower that produces pollen. Pistils are the female part of the flower that contains the ovary, which holds the ovules. Coming to the pollination, pollination is a process where pollen from the stamen reaches the pistil. This can happen in several ways. For example, insects. Insects like bees, butterflies, and other insects visit flowers for nectar and carry pollen from one flower to another. And wind. Some plants like grasses rely on the wind to carry pollen. And coming to the water, in some cases, water can help move pollen. Coming to the fertilization, once pollen reaches the pistil, it travels down to the ovule inside the ovary. This process is called fertilization, where the pollen meets the ovule to form a seed. After fertilization, the ovule develops into a seed and the ovary becomes a fruit. Okay, this is called fertilization. And now, seed dispersal. After a seed forms, it needs to move away from the parent plant to find a new place to grow. There are several ways a seed can be dispersed: by wind, by animals, or by water, or by explosion. Uh, through wind, some seeds like dandelions have structures that help them float in the air. And by animals, sometimes animals might eat fruits and later drop the seeds in different locations. And through water, some seeds can float and travel across water bodies. And by explosion, some plants have pods that burst open to spread their seeds. So that's it, the overall glimpse of a reproduction in plants. So today we have learned about the parts of a flower, how pollination and fertilization occur, and different ways seeds are dispersed. Understanding these processes helps us appreciate the diversity of plant life. In the next class, we will look at how plants adapt to different environments to ensure their survival. See you then.